Hi, I'm Guilherme Rito, and today I'm going to show you the latest updates for CSS Scan Pro. So the first thing I want to show you today is that now you can add box shadows to elements from the visual editor. So let's add a box shadow to this element right here, this button. Okay, so we select it, and at the end of the visual editor, now there's this new option called box shadow, and here you have 85 beautiful different box shadows you can choose from. For example, this, and you just click to see how it looks. So you can try different ones, for example, bigger, or there are some special ones like this or this rainbow. Okay, so let's choose the number 14, right? It's an inset box shadow. That means it's inside, right? And when you go to the code editor, you can see here the box shadow code. You can copy. It's all ready to use, right? You can click and use it on your website anytime. The other new thing we have here on the visual editor is the text decoration. So now you can decorate your texts here in typography. You come here and you can choose text decoration, underline, for example, or line through, or underline and line through. And you can also change the style to dashed, dotted, and wavy, right? So for example here, this button, we added this wavy underline text decoration, and you can change it to anyone, or line through, or set to none. Another new thing we have is flex options. So when you come here in the visual editor and in the display you choose flex, you have all these bunch of options here. So you can use flex direction, right, as a row or column, flex wrap, justify content, and align items. These are all CSS properties for flex containers, right? Flex layout. So let's suppose we want a column and we want to align items to the center or to the star or to end. You can all do that now directly from the visual editor. And if you change the direction, the icons also change. Like, as you can see, the row and column icons are different. We made an improvement that now you can resume edits. So let's click on this button again. We already changed its shadow before, right? So you can see that it already starts with the reset button already visible. This means that we already changed the CSS of this element before without refreshing the page. So now CSS Scan Pro remembers which element you already changed, and it will already start with the reset button on the top. Let's suppose we want to edit this element. We've never edited before. It will be like the default, right? It doesn't show anything. It knows that you've never changed this element. But if you choose the button, it will start with the reset buttons. So it's smarter. And we fixed it 13 bucks. So CSS Scan Pro is now much more stable. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. Please let me know if you have any feedback and I'll be happy to help you. See you next time.